Hello, dear friends. This is Laboratory's YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss a cue card, talk about an important river or lake in your country or hometown. So, the cue card is talk about an important river or lake in your country or hometown. When you speak on this cue card, you have to cover the following cues. The very first one is which water body is that? How do you know about it? And why does it impress you so much? Let's begin with the sample answer for this cue card. India is very big country and there are many rivers flowing throughout the country. Every river plays a vital role in people's lives. Here, I would like to talk about Sutlej, which flows just outside Ludhiana city. There are five rivers flowing in the Punjab and Satluj is longest of all rivers. I born and grew up in Ludhiana city and heard about Satluj from childhood. This river starts from Tibet and flows through Himachal Pradesh, eastern and western Punjab. The water flowing in the river is used for irrigation. Most importantly, Bhakra Dam is built around the Satluj River, which distributes water for irrigation for Punjab, Rajasthan, and Haryana. Also, hydroelectric plants are built to produce electricity. For many farmers, flowing in the river is lifeline for them as they use water for irrigation. During my childhood, we went for picnic with my parents. As far as I remember, there isn't any religious significance associated with this river. However, the vastness of this river and the amount of water flowing this river really impresses me. As many people are dependent on this river. So this is the river that flows near my hometown. So this was the sample answer for this cue card. Now we will look at some follow-ups for this cue card. The very first one is why do many people like going to places with water such as lakes, rivers or seas? I think many people find water very soothing and calming. Some feel visiting these places help to go back or stress about the time. Many go to swim and do other activities like doing yoga, running, scuba diving, boating, and water skiing and exercise. Next question is what kinds of leisure activities do people like to do in water places? Near water bodies, people do camping and fishing. As discussed earlier, some swim in water bodies, others do activities like yoga, running, and other physical exercises. Next question is why do people like water sports? Water sports are really good for the body. Not only this, the water sports are also good for mind. Water sports reduces stress, anxiety, and depression. For example, swimming is proven to improve the mood. Next question is there much water transportation in your country? I think transportation is not much popular in India. However, people in South navigate using ships. So these were some follow-ups for this cue card. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and we live on the following social media websites. We live on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Do follow us there for latest updates. Thank you for being here.